Hey, this is Nathan with Agri, and today I'm going to show you guys how to switch out your spreader system. So the first thing you want to do is come down here and just go ahead and disconnect the hoses and the wire. Now, when I take this hose nut off, I usually like to put that back on the spray tank just so I know everything is with the spray tank and there's not other pieces laying around. You then want to grab the spraying signal cable, pull back that cover, and disconnect that as well. Come over here to the other side, same thing. One more hose. Disconnect that. You also want to make sure that once you pull all this off, you also put those hoses back just so they're not dangling. As you can see, as we're coming back to this side, this one's just kind of flopping out, so we'll put that one back as well. Now, right there, take out the spray tank, we'll set that off to the side, put the spreader in. The thing with the spreader is you'll see it won't just slide in there, so you do kind of have to bring in one side, set it down. Another thing is watch this cable. If you set it down just like this, it'll probably get hung up in here. Go ahead and drop it in. Come back down here, plug everything up, slide your little protector back down. And then go ahead and connect it back in. But that's how you swap out the spreader. Super easy, super quick.